Nokia just dropped something nobody saw coming, the Nokia 7610 5G. And honestly, this design is going to shock you. In this video, we're unboxing it fully, breaking down the specs, the price, the launch date, and giving you my honest first impression. Underneath the phone, there's a small paper tray. Let's open this up and see what Nokia packed inside. First up, the SIM ejector tool, along with the usual Nokia manual and warranty booklets, setting these aside for now. Next, we've got the USB Type-C charging cable. Decent length, standard build, nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. And there it is, the Nokia 7610 5G. But I'll be honest, this design looks really unusual for a phone. Alright, now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's finally unwrap the phone itself. And there it is, the Nokia 7610 5G. But I'll be honest, this design looks really unusual for a phone. Let's talk display. You're getting a 6.7-inch screen here, and it's an AMOLED panel, so colors should look rich and vibrant. Pixel density comes in at 395 ppi, which means text and visuals stay sharp even close. Battery-wise, you're looking at a 4500 mAh cell, solid capacity for a full day of regular use. And yes, this phone fully supports 5G connectivity, so you're future-ready on the network side. Security comes through an in-display optical fingerprint scanner, built right into the screen instead of a side or rear button. Overall, this phone feels solid in hand. The design is unusual, but I'll admit, it's grown on me a little. But I want to know, what's your honest opinion on this look? Drop your thoughts down in the comments below. From what I've seen so far, picture quality looks fairly decent too. Sharp details and good color reproduction. So to recap, 6.7-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 chip, 4500 mAh battery, 20 fast charging, 5G, and a dual camera setup. Now the big question, pricing. We'll be covering the expected price range in detail very soon, so stay tuned for that. Compared to older Nokia phones, this one feels like a genuine step up, especially in design, risk-taking, and raw performance. That's my first impression of the Nokia 7610 5G. Different, bold, and definitely a conversation starter. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.